Clearbrow, North Dallas, 22 Model X, base model, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus with a 5-year ceramic, XR Plus windshield, full window done in one full sheet, no seams, XR Plus 30 all the way around here, so it covers the entire car in the highest grade of IR film for heat rejection, lifetime warranty, transferable, the paint protection film 10-year guarantee, installation's guaranteed as long as you own the car, and the ceramic is a 5-year guarantee, all in writing to you on when you pick up the vehicle for delivery. So moving forward, let's look at the wrap real quick, as I got to get on with some other things. So typical wrapping all our edges, and I can't stress enough, wrapping the edge so it doesn't look like the film's there is super important. Only because when you wrap that edge, it's on the other side of the fender, inside the other area, just like the doors. They're inside this area, they're inside here, they're under this molding, they're under the handle, this front door, it's back here. So it's not getting exposed to all the elements. When it's on top of the car, if we had a line here, it would get the wear and tear and fraying and eventually micro peeling. You don't want that. You want a full 10 years or more out of your film, even though people typically own their cars 3 to 5 years. Might as well get what you can out of it, and the best way to do it is to have everything fully wrapped in like this, like that car. This wrap, deviating for a second here, this was done in 16, this whole car. We're redoing it in a stealth finish for this gentleman, but the film hasn't all come off. The car looks perfect almost 7 years later. Back over here to our X, all wrapped in, all wrapped into the shrouds here. You know, full handles, all wrapped in. So everything looks great. Everything's underneath all the moldings. So that's the way it should be. Perfect wrap. It looks like it's just painted. Doesn't look like anything was added to protect it. And that's what you want. And there you go. So if you have any questions, clearbrownorthdallas.com. I'm Brent. You can call me directly at 940-703-8301. And there it is. And we'll get on to some other stuff like that Vet, that TRX, and whatever else is over there. So appreciate you guys watching. Clearbrow, North Dallas. Thanks.